Yeah. So now we are going to discuss about fusion of classical and folk music. Okay, classical music and folk music, fusion of both of that. So Sugam Sangeet. Sugam Sangeet is generally devotional music which bring classical and folk together. This take cue from either from music like Prabandha Sangeet and Drupada Sangeet both. So fusion of both is Sugam Sangeet. Now bhajan is like bhakti movement, singing of hymn and melody and generally sung in one or more raga. So god and goddess or from Mahabharata and Ramayana we taken the Bhakti Sangeet. Bhajana of Meera by Tulsidas, Surdas, Kabir. Shabd is like Sikhism, is Gurudwara like Guru Nanak, his disciple of Mardana, responsible for development of popularity of Shabd. So that is for the Shabd in Sikhism. And Qawwali is the in the Muslim, that is praise of Allah or Prophet Muhammad or any other major Sufi Islamic saint. So composition composed in the single raga. Qawwali also always composed in a single raga. So Qawwali is usually sung as a solo or in a group both, and tempo is gradually built up in Qawwali, intensity of tempo like tabla, dolak, harmonium and all that. Now some types of the Sugam Sangeet. Sugam Sangeet is the Abhanga. Abhanga is in Maharashtra. What name is Abhanga? Abhanga is in the Maharashtra. It praise of Vithoba God and song composed like Tukaram and Navdev. Batiyali in the West Bengal. Batiyali in the West Bengal, and about nature and daily life of sung boat drive. Tevaram in Tamil Nadu. What name? Tevaram. Tevaram in Tamil Nadu and sung Shaivites community like Oduyar. Okay. Tevaram in the Tamil Nadu and sung by Shaivites community. Tevaram. Kirtan in Bengal again. Batiyali is also now Kirtan. Kirtan is also in the Bengal. Okay. Batiyali and Kirtan. Now Rabindra Sangeet is famous because of Rabindranath Tagore, that was in 2000 and presently performed by music lover of Bengal. It's in Rabindra Sangeet. Also in the Bengal and love and celebration of life and beauty. Okay, now Gana Sangeet. Sangeet is sung in choras and or groups, and it's a patriotic song and protest against the malpractice in the society, and social message is given in that Gana Sangeet. And Gana Sangeet is basically for the society, Vande Mataram and all that. Haveli Sangeet is in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Okay, Haveli Sangeet is basically Pushti Marga Sampradaya, or the community that believe in Pushti Marga and salvation, and they proper propagated that particular like Haveli Sangeet. Rock Sangeet. Now rock music is like Usha Uthap was the famous for rock singer, an originated song and famous cover of Western classical rock folk also. So globally, it's recognized as a rock folk music, and Ravi Shankar, like George Harrison and Ravi Shankar inspired raga of rock, and Norwegian wood. The Beatle very public like Maharshi Mahesh Yogi, his ashram in Rishikesh, following the release of Heart Club Band is there in the paper, Lonely Heart Club Band in that ashrama in Rishikesh. Okay, so Mahesh Yogi is the famous for that. Usha Uthap and Mahesh Yogi and Ravi Shankar. Now Jaj is in Bombay. African American jazz musical performed to private audience, posh hotels. There is also performed the jazz, and it's a gaon musical took cue from them. This music slowly percolated Hindi films and musical industry. So Jaj is in Mumbai, and Ravi Shankar and John Kaltrane, Indo Jaj. Genre of music is Indo Jaj, and this is Indian classical music. Share similarity, one of them being involved improvisation in the Indian music, that is the jazz music. So several black musicians are doing this jazz because of racial discrimination was in that particular area. Now pop music is indie pop. Element of pop music is generally is a Hindi pop or indie pop, we can say, like MTV, Alisha, collaboration of Bidu. Okay, so pop music is generally remixing of the music is called the pop music. Milka Singh, Mohit Chauhan, and all that. Musical instrument. We are now going to talk about the musical instrument and famous of that particular state. Okay. So that is Avnadvad. Avnad is the membranophone. Avnad, membranophone. Okay, membranophone is percussion instrument and strike that generate the musical sound. It's striking of particular percussion and that will generate the music. So is membrane Avnad. Okay, so Dundubi or his earth drum is there. Like Bhumi Sparsh is there. There is a skein. So category of tabla, drum, dole, congo, mridangam. While the tabla is usually the accompaniment of most Hindustani classical vocal, mridangam is the instrument that accompanied the Karnataka music performance. Sushir Vadya. Now Sushir is aerophone. By name, it describing Sushir is aerophone, and wind instrument is there like. Sushi like hawa के जैसा air something like aerophone. Okay, so bansuri, flute, pungi, and shehnai is Ustad Bismillah Khan is the shehnai vadak is famous for the Sushir Vadya. Now Gana Vadya is Hariprasad Chaurasia was also famous for that Sushir Vadya. Okay, now Gana Vadya is like idiophone instrument like manjira and jal tarang, janj, khartal, and tarang and all that. That is like Ganavadya. It's idiophone. Now Tatvadya is the chordophone, and there is a string instrument. Some string is there. So there is string instrument in Tatvadya, bowed instrument where the sound is drawn from the drawing bow across the string. There is bow across the string, and that's why that sound comes from that, and that is sarang, israj, and violin. And plectral instrument where the string are plucked by the finger or the plectrum of wire or horn. An example of sitar, veena, tambura. That is Tatvadya. Chordophone. Okay, sitar, veena, and tambura. Chordophone is string instrument, and bowed there is a string, and bow across that is string and drawing, and that's where that sound comes from. India produced several outstanding artists in that instrument also, and there are lots of gharanas for playing sitar, Jaipur, Varanasi, Itawa, Gharana. Okay, now we are going to discuss some folk musical instruments. Okay, Tumbi is in Punjab. Now with the name, we are going to discuss about the instrument and their particular area of that instrument. Okay, so Tumbi in Punjab. Tumbin. Tumbi in Punjab. Ektara is a one string instrument and a wandering monk. Dotara is two string instrument used in bowls. Bowls was in West Bengal. Chikara is instrument used in Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Is bowed instrument also. And Dilruba is Dilruba instrument used in Punjab. Dilruba is in Punjab during Ravindra Sangeet in Eastern India. Now Onavillu in Kerala with bamboo. Onavillu is in Kerala. And Sarinda is tribal instrument used by Santhal, Eastern India. Sarinda is in Eastern India used by Santhal. It's Assam and that area. Sarinda. Okay. Aerophane is pungi. Pungi is generally made up of dried bottle ground and two bamboo sticks are there. Snake charmer generally go for the pungi and bean. Algoja is the double flute and is popular folk instrument in northwestern India. Here is algoja. Okay, northwestern India, that is famous in North Punjab and northwestern. Tangumuri instrument in Khasi, Meghalaya. This is Khasi, Meghalaya. Here is Tangumuri is famous for. Okay, Titti is famous in Kerala again. Mashak is in Uttarakhand and Rajasthan. This area, Mashak, Uttarakhand and Rajasthan. Mashak, okay, is famous in Uttarakhand and Rajasthan in Garhwal region. Gogona is in bamboo, like Bihu festival, Assam. Gogona, they use Gogona instrument in Assam in Bihu festival. Okay. Now next one is Gumot. Gumot is membranophone drum that is in Ganesh festival in Goa. Gumot in Goa. Okay, and Idaka. Idaka is Damru in Kerala. Idaka. Sambal. Sambal is a drum. Is in Konkan region, Maharashtra. Tamak is a Santhal tribe use the tamak. And Diggi is in Uttar Pradesh. Diggi. This is instrument. Okay, membranophone. And now idiophone. Idiophone is like Andelu. Andelu is in Burakatha. They use in Burakatha. Garha. Garha is in folk music in Punjab. And Chimta used in Punjab. Chimta and Gara that use in Punjab. Chimta and Gara. Now modern development of music. Modern development of music. Gandharva Mahavidyalaya. Gandharva Mahavidyalaya 1901 Indian classical music and dance shifted to Mumbai and Lahore but was shifted to Mumbai. So Sangeet Nakatak Academy is the important National Academy of Art. Government of India 1952 the major focus academy was set music, drama and dance. And this is the primarily body showcasing the performance of the art. And there is a National School of Drama also in this academy and administered that academy drama school. And cultural heritage collaborate with the state and union territory for the cultural heritage. Okay, now Mary's College of Music, that is Vishnu Narayan Bhattange, founded 1906 in Lucknow. Now Spike Mackay, Kiran Seth established the community Spike Mackay 1970, full of this organization Society of Promotion Indian Classical Music and Cultural Youth. Spike Mackay. Okay, now we are going to discuss some communities which are belonging to the music. Langa community. Langa community in the Rajasthan and music of Rajput by praising them through song. Manganiyar is also in Rajasthan. Manganiyar community is also in Rajasthan. Langa and Manganiyar both Merasi community in Rajasthan. Instrument Kamaicha to sing the classical folk music. Karta Baja. Karta Baja is in West Bengal. Karta Baja. Karta Baja in West Bengal and Bauls also in West Bengal. Bauls. Also in West Bengal, mystic group of singer countryside. They are one of the classes of Karta Baja. Jogi in Rajasthan. Okay, Jogi in also in Rajasthan and Bopa in Rajasthan. Bopa. Jogi and Bopa both are in Rajasthan. Jogi and Bopa. Barot and Charan and Charan in Gujarat. Charan in Gujarat and Barot in Gujarat. Now Muria tribe in Chhattisgarh. There is Chhattisgarh. Here is Muria tribe. Muria tribe in Chhattisgarh. Kamar community also in Chhattisgarh. Muria and Kamar. Bagela in Madhya Pradesh. Bagela. Okay, Bagela in Madhya Pradesh. Semi-historic song devoted to the Hardol deity. Pulayar Hill in Tamil Nadu. Pulayar Hill in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Pulayar community lives in Tamil Nadu. Pulayar. Okay, Pulayar lives in Tamil Nadu. And Idu Mishmi in Arunachal Pradesh. Where Arunachal Pradesh? This is Idu Mishmi. Idu Mishmi in Arunachal Pradesh. This question many times asked from many exams. Idu Mishmi in Arunachal Pradesh. Mokan tribe is Andaman and Nicobar. Mokan tribes lives in Andaman and Nicobar. And Bajigar tribes lives in Gaur or Bajigar in Punjab. Bajigar movie. Punjab. Okay, Bajigar tribes lives in Punjab. Gaur Bajigar. And Mokan tribes were in Andaman and Nicobar. And Bagela was in Madhya Pradesh. Now We are going to discuss something about Indian dance forms. So Bharatnatyam Shastra was there. Lord Brahma was the requested by the god create the pastime. He combined certain aspect of Vedas, and Natya Veda was there, fifth Veda of Natya Veda. So Rig Veda, then Yajur Veda, then Sam Veda. There was Rasa. From Rig Veda, the gesture we got, and from Yajurveda the music we got, and from Samveda we got the rasa emotions from the Atharveda. Okay, so there is the Veda that include the Rig Veda for the gesture, Yajurveda for the Geet and music. No, I'm telling something wrong. Veda known as like included the Pathya words, like words, yeah, wording was from the Rig Veda, gesture from the Yajurveda, Geet music from the Samveda, and Rasa emotions from the Atharveda. Okay, Samveda for the emotions and Atharveda for the emotions, Samveda for the music, Yajurveda for the gesture, and Rigveda for the words. Okay, and community dancing at the Bhimbetka, and the sculpture of bronze dancing girl was there in Bhimbetka. So there was lots of about the music, feminine response of Prithvi, Indian methodology replicate with example of dance form and expressions of that. So Natya Shastra was there 200 BC to 2000 AD. The word was compiled in between of that and described in detail in the technique, posture, emotions, ornaments, stage of the dance, and complete art. So there is the Lasya. Lasya is denote the grace or bhava, and Lasya is generally feminine feature. Tandav is male aspect, and that is emphasis on rhythm and movement. Nitya is devoid of the expression. Nritta is devoid the expressions, performance or expression. Natya is the drama, the dramatic representation. One word is Nitya. Okay, one word is there Nitya. Nritya is like performance, but Natya is like by name itself it's saying Natya like drama. Nitya, now again Nitya. This is Nitya and Nitya. Nitya is like emotions, okay, sentiments and emotions. Now Gara for love, Shri Gara is for love, Rudra for anger, Bibhatsa for disgust, Veera for heroism, Shanta for peace, tranquility, Hasya for laughing, Karuna for tragedy, or tragedy we can say, Bhayanak for horror, and Adbhuta for wonder. Okay, these are some dance forms in the main rasa of the dance forms. Now mood and expressions are like mudras of combination of hand and gesture are there. For the mudras there are the combinations of the hand and gestures are there. So we are going to discuss about guidelines governed by the basic rules and guidelines. So Guru Shishya Parampara is form of core of Indian classical art. Sangeet Natak Akademi is the 8th classical dance form that represented Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam is a dance of Bhava Raga and Tala. Name is Bhava Raga and Tala. Okay, that is Bharatnatyam. Bhava Raga and Tala. So Devdasi in Tamil Nadu, that dance was famous in Tamil Nadu, Bharatnatyam. There time the Devdasi was doing this dance in Sadir solo dance form. This is the solo dance form, Sadir. So it is a solo dance form. And Rukmani Devi Arundel and Krishna Iyer is famous for prominent freedom fighters are there, revived the dance form. Okay, Bharatanatyam is remembered for giving global recognition in the dance. Allah Riyapu is the basic dance in invocatory piece of performance of dance. So posture and is accomplished with the rhythmic syllabus. It's mean to seek the blazing of God. Allah Riyapu is what? It's the piece of performance where it seeks the blazing of the God. Jati Swaram, it is the Nritta component and devoid the expression. Jati Swaram is the for the expression, but Allah Riyapu is like the blazing of God. This is the posture of the dance. And Jati Swaram is what? This is the expression, and devoid the expression include different pose and movements. Shabdam is like element with express the words. Varnam is like dance emotions, and Padam is like mastery over the abhinay and expression and spiritual message to something. Music become light, dance become the emotional. Javali means faster tempo. Love lyrics is Javali, and Tilana is the concluding stage. Like we are concluding something Nitya, like exuberant movement and intrinsic rhythmic variation is the Tilana. So Tilana is the performance and comprise the pure dance of Tilana. So Tanjore Natyam is there, and Bharatnatyam is the fire dance. Okay, it is the manifestation of fire in human body. Most of the human body, most of the movement in Bharatnatyam resemble to the dancing flame. So equal emphasis is given to the Tandav and Lasya both aspect. And Katka Mukha Hasta is three finger joint symbolize the Om. Katka Mukha Hasta. Principle of mudra is Om. In Bharatnatyam, principle of mudra is Om. Katka Mudda, Mukha Hasta. Kattaka like Kant, Mukha like Mukh, and Hasta means like it's smiling face is there. Katka, Mukta, Hasta. Knee are mostly bent. So in Bharatnatyam, knee are mostly bent, and weight is equally distributed across the both feet. Okay, and it is also characterized by the ekcharya lasyam style, in which one dancer play many different role. Ekcharya lasyam, so one dancer can play many roles. Okay, now we are going to discuss next form of dance, that is Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is famous in Andhra Pradesh. What name? Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi. So Kuchipudi is famous in Andhra Pradesh, and this is like village of Kuselavapuri. The name of Kushepuram, that's why the 17th century name was the Kuchipudi, and authored by Bala Kalapam, and many other play was there. So Bhagavad Purana become the central theme in this, and Bhagavatalu, the dance was gained prominence under the patronage of Vijayanagar and Golconda rulers. Okay, it was the Kuchipudi. Now, Bala Saraswati and Ragini Devi was famous for the Kuchipudi dance, and it involved difficult foot movement, and generally team performance. It's a foot movement, and generally was the team performance was there. Story of Bhagavad Purana and secular theme, and predominant Shi Nagra Rasa. Okay. So Kuchipudi was famous for the foot movement, predominant in Shingar Rasa. Shingara Rasa. Shingar. It was famous for the Shingar Rasa, and stage with Daru, which is small composition of dance song, specially choreographed for the revelation of each character. The dance involve all three components of classical dance: Nitya, Natya, and Nitya. Solakha and Patakshara, the Nitya part, were movement of body, and Kavutvam, the Nitya part, which involve extensive acrobatics, like also the performance of Nitya, pure dance was there, Kuchipudi. So earthly element in the human body, and Kuchipudi recital of dance combine a role of singer also. Both Lasya and Tandav same, okay, as a Bharatnatyam. Story of frog. Tarangam was feat of the age of the brass plate. That is the very important. There was a brass plate, and fleet of the age of the brass plate was there as Tarangam, that was famous in Kuchipudi dance, balancing the pot water on the head of the set of diyas. There was a pot on the head, and there was some diyas were there. So so maintaining the feet of the age of the brass plate, and to dancing over there, that's the important feature of Tarangam. And Jala Chitra Nityam, draw the picture on the floor with his or toe while dancing. Okay, Jala Chitra Nityam is draw the picture, and then toes, like these toes are floor with the dance with toes. So Karnataka music, violin and mridangam is famous in Kuchipudi, and famous proponent are Radha Reddy and Raja Reddy. Now Kathakali. Kathakali is famous in Kerala. Kathakali. Kathakali is famous in Kerala. Ramayana and Mahabharata, narrating episode of Ramayana and Mahabharata, and patronage of feudal lord were there. So it was revived in 1930 by the famous Malay poet V.N. Menon under the patronage of Mukund Raja. Okay, Katha meaning story, Kali meaning drama. Kathakali. Katha meaning stories, and Kali means drama. Kathakali. Story and drama both was there. That's why its name is Kathakali. And Kathakali is basically, there was some colors was there on the face, elaborated facial makeup was there in Kathakali. So green indicate the nobility of virtue, red for the royalty, and for the indicate nose royalty, it's on nose. Okay, black color is used indicate the evil and weakness. Yellow color is for the woman, santon woman. A completely red painted faces indicate the evil, and white beard is indicated the consciousness and divinity. Most Kathakali recital are grand representation of eternal conflict between the good and evil, and epic and the Purana was the main narrations in that particular Kathakali. And Mani Pravalam is mixture of Malayalam and Sanskrit song was there. Movement of eyes and eyebrow is the gesture movement in the eye and eyebrow is the important for the Kathakali. And open air theater is generally, I went through open air theater in Gujarat, so there is also open air theater in that. And Chenda and Madala is beginning like mark for their Kathakali recital. And Kathakali symbolize the sky, element of sky. Okay, famous promoter is Guru Kunchu Kurup. Now Maniattam. Maniattam is the dance of beautiful women in the Mohiniyattam. Sorry, Maniattam is also like this versus Mohiniyattam. Mohini Attam. Mohini Attam is the dance of enchantress. Mohini meaning beautiful woman. Attam means dance. So solo dance performance as Bharatnatyam was there solo. It's Mohini Attam. So it's in Kerala, and V.N. Menon and Kalyani Amma is famous for this dance. And features is like grace, elegance in Bharatnatyam with the vigor of Kathakali. Both fusion of Bharatnatyam and Kathakali is Mohiniyattam. There is footwork in gentle and feminine dance of Vishnu. It is a Mohiniyattam feminine dance of Vishnu. Lasya aspect of beauty dance dominant, and white and off-white being the principal color of that this dance. Golden color is also used in this. An element of air is symbolized through the Mohiniyattam. And Attavakul is the collection of dance movements. Now Odissi. This is the Odissi in Odisha. Okay. Odissi dance in Odisha. So Odissi is Udaygiri and Khandagiri provide some earliest example. What is Udaygiri and Khandagiri? Khandagiri is patronage of Jain king Kharvela was there. So advent of the Vaishnavism region and Mahari system was there, and it's a Gotipuas, another variant of this Nartala. This came known the Gotipuas and Nartala continue to be the prescribed at royal court. Gotipuras and Nartala was there. Now, similar Bharatanatyam in the mudras and posture expose the emotions. Tribanga posture was there in the Odissi. Tribanga. Okay. Tribanga famous in the Odissi dance. Chok posture was there. Gracefulness, sensuality and beauty, and geometrical shape was there. Geometrical pattern was there. Mobile sculpture was there. And main element was Mangala Charan, beginning of flower, Batu Nritya and Pallavi and Thari Jam, facial expression and all that. So symbolize of dance, this Odissi dance is symbolize of the element of water. And woman dancer was wearing the elaborate hairstyle, silver jewelry, long necklace. Famous proponent was Guru Pankaj Charan Das, Guru Kelu Charan and Sonal Mansingh and all that. Now next is Manipuri. Here is the Manipuri dance. Manipuri dance is Lai Haroba. Lai Haroba, as we discussed before, Lai Haroba. Lai Haroba dance in this is famous for Vaishnavism in 15th century, and Krishna become the central theme, and generally by females also. This dance was also for generally by females. Manipuri. Raja Bhagchandra in Manipur was to revive this dance, and Rabindranath Tagore was the beg the dance from into limelight. Okay, now we are going to Kathak. So Kathak dance is Thangta is also in Manipuri dance, and Sankirtana also in Manipuri dance. Thangta and Sankirtana, two both dance are in Manipur, and main theme was Radha Krishna and love story. Thangta and Sankirtana in Manipur. Okay, it's very important. Thangta and Sankirtana, two dance are there. Now we are going Kathak. Kathak in Uttar Pradesh. Kathak dance. So Kathak dance was storytelling, epic gesture and music was there, and Persian costumes are important for the Kathak dance. Lady Leela Sokai in 12th century. Different Gharana like Lucknow Gharana is like Nawab Wajid Ali Khan. It is puts more important expression and grace. Jaipur Gharana was in Banuji, speed and long rhythmic pattern. Raigad Gharana is under the patronage of Raja Chakradhar Singh, unique emphasis on percussion, and Banaras Gharana there was a floor and lay special emphasis on symmetry. So Kathak was there was Jugalbandi in Kathak. So main attraction of Kathak recital is Jugalbandi, competitive play of the dancer and tabla player, that is called the Jugalbandi in the Kathak dance. Okay, Ghat Bawa without any music chanting is Ghat Bawa. So Ghat Bawa is a dance without any music chanting. This is used in outline different mythologic episode in Kathak also, Ghat Bawa, and they use the Dhrupat music in Kathak dance. Now Satriya. Satriya dance is Vaishnavism sent. Shankaracharya was the 15th century AD in Assam, uh, in the patronage of that, and Vaishnava monastery known as Satra. Okay, in Assam, Satra dance. Satras dance in the Assam, and find mention in the ancient text Natya Shastra, Bharat Muni Seg. So that was in Bhakti movement. There is the mythological story of Vishnu, devotional story of Vishnu. Khol, cymbal, flute was the major accompanied instrument of this dance, and posture along with the footwork was there, rhythmic posture and footwork, and hand gestures and footwork was there. Dhoti and paguri, turban was there, guri, chador, and Ankiya Nat is the famous in Satriyas. Ankiya Nat is the Assami Maithili mixed language called Brajvali. So that was the Ankiya Nat is musical drama in the Satriya dance. Bhavna is also famous for Lord Krishna. It's a story of Krishna. Bhavna. Bhavna, and one more the Ankiya Nat. Ankiya Nat that was famous in Assam. Bhavna and Ankiya Nat both famous in Assam. Now, folk dance of India. Folk dance of India is the Chhau. Chhau dance is famous. Mask dance. Chhau dance is a mask dance, and it's a martial movement of the dance, vigorous martial movements of the dance. And this dance was famous in Mayurganj, Odisha. UNESCO World Heritage Site, given the UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2010, inscribed Chhau in the representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity. There is two list, intangible and intangible. So dance comes in intangible. That's why Chhau dance was an intangible cultural heritage. Garba in Gujarat. Okay, Garba in Gujarat, and earthen pot with holes and with the lamps, women dance with the circular movement. Now Dandiya Ras is also in the Gujarat. Okay, now Tarang Mel dance in Goa. This is Goa. There is a dance Tarang Mel. Tarang Mel dance was in a Goa, and rainbow like costume they wear. Ghumar dance famous in Rajasthan. Okay, Ghumar dance famous in Rajasthan. Ghumar dance famous in Rajasthan. Bhil tribes of women generally, Gangor and all that particular like festival, they traditionally do this dance. Kalbelia dance also in the Rajasthan, or instrument played in snake charmer. Snake charmer generally use this Kalbelia dance in Rajasthan. Okay, so Kalbelia dance also in Rajasthan. Okay, and UNESCO has inscribed Kalbelia as a intangible cultural heritage in 2010. Charba dance in Himachal Pradesh. Charba dance Himachal Pradesh, Dashera. Bhangra and Gidda dance in Punjab. Bhangra and Gidda in Punjab. Ras Leela in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Ras Leela in Uttar Pradesh. Ras Leela, then Dadra dance also in Uttar Pradesh. Dadra and Ras Leela. Ras Leela in Uttar Pradesh and Dadra in Uttar Pradesh. Jawara in Madhya Pradesh. Jawara in Madhya Pradesh, music of the same style. And now Jawara, harvest dance of Madhya Pradesh, instrument music. Matki dance is the Malwa region, wedding and other festivals. So Matki dance was in a wedding and other festival, that was in Malwa region. And Gaur dance was in Chhattisgarh. Gaur. Gaur dance was in Chhattisgarh, and Bison Horn Maria tribes was famous for that. Alkap dance in the Jharkhand. That is Jharkhand. There's the Alkap dance. Alkap dance is in Jharkhand. Biraha dance in Bihar. Biraha dance in Bihar. Paika was famous dance was in Odisha. Paika, as Paika tribe lives in Odisha. We generally in modern India we read about the Paikas. Jatin in again Bihar. Tender love, quarrel of marriage couple. Jhumar in harvest dance of the Jharkhand and Odisha. Jhumar is the harvest dance of the Jharkhand and Odisha. Danda Jatra is dance of Odisha. Jhumar also in Odisha. Danda Jatra is Odisha. Jatra kind of Dokra Jatra. These are in Odisha. Okay. Bihu dance in Assam. Thangta dance in Manipur is a martial dance. Okay. Take the defending to someone. Now Rangma or bamboo dance is famous in Nagaland. As Naga tribe do this Rangma and bamboo dance. Singi Cham in Sikkim. Singi Cham dance in Sikkim, and Kumi in Tamil Nadu. Kumi in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Okay. Now Mailatam in Tamil Nadu. Mailatam again in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Young girls raise the peacock. Bura Katha is in Andhra Pradesh. Bura Katha is in Andhra Pradesh. Bura Katha is in Andhra Pradesh. Now Butta Bomalu is a dance that is in Andhra Pradesh again. Butta dance was in Kerala, but Butta Bomalu is in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Butta Bomalu is in Andhra Pradesh, West Godavari district. Kaiko Tikki. Bomalu is generally in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so in puppetry also there is a Bomalu, that is also in Andhra Pradesh. That's why. Kaikoti Kalli by name itself is telling Kerala. Onam to celebrate the rich harvest of Onam. That's why this was Kaikoti Kalli in Kerala. Padyani, as we before discussed, is a martial dance in Kerala. Padayani is a colorful affairs and huge mask they wear in present interpretation of divine, semi-divine narratives. Now, Kolkalli Parichakkali. That is in Lakshadweep and Kerala. Kolkalli Parichakkali. Mock weapons and fight sequence start at slow pace. Bhutha Aradane is devil worship in Karnataka. Bhut Aradane, like devil ki worship. Bhut is Bhut. Bhut Aradane is Karnataka. And idol depicting devil are placed on and performance then dance vigorously as a possessed person. Patta Kunitha was in Mysore. Okay, it's also in Karnataka. Long bamboo poles were there. Patta Kunitha. So Patta Kunitha, like booth hai to booth ko patana bhi padega. So booth is Patta Kunitha is famous in Mysore. Long bamboo poles, all religion of puja. Kunitha is a various form of dance. Now Chakyar Kuttu is in Kerala. It's a snake dance, combination of prose and poetry. Generally narrates the Malayalam. It is traditionally performed the Chakyar community of Chakyar Kuttu, Kerala. Now Jhumar is famous in the Punjab and movement of arts, and Sikh generally use Jhumar. Karma Nach is very important. That is in Chota Nagpur Plateau. It's famous for Eastern India, and circle में dance होता है. The dance in circle and dance with the arms and around the each waist. Raut Nach in Chhattisgarh. Raut dance in Chhattisgarh, and Dumal dance in Jammu Kashmir. Raut in Chhattisgarh and Dumal dance in Jammu and Kashmir. Raut, name is Raut, is in Chhattisgarh. Okay, and Dhumal dance in Jammu and Kashmir, and Fugdi in Goa. This dance also important. Fugdi in Goa, Dhamal in Jammu Kashmir. Now name is itself says Dhamal. कुछ धमाल का करना है. That's like Dhamal dance in Jammu Kashmir, performance dancing the drum beats, and Fugdi dance in Goa, festival by women. Dance are varied formation, mostly सर्कल्स में होता है. चेरव डांस इन मिजोरम, एंड लॉन्ग पेयर ऑफ बैम्बू वॉज देयर. मैन टेप लॉन्ग पेयर ऑफ बैम्बू इन रिदमिक बीट्स, एंड गर्ल्स डांस टू द बीट्स ऑफ बैम्बू. सो चेरव डांस इज फेमस इन मिजोरम on the bamboo beats. And dalkhai is the last dance in Odisha. On Dashera, this festival is on Dashera. Dalkhai dance, generally tribes are there in Dashera. In Odisha, they use this dance events of Ramayana and Mahabharata story, Lord Krishna also. So this is Dalkhai dance in Odisha. Okay.